Hey guys, Trade Hunter here from Steady Trades. Today I want to talk to you about using the 9, 20, 50, and 200 period moving averages. Using multiple period moving averages is suitable for both the EMA and the SMA as well as other moving average indicators. Here I'm going to throw up the chart for the EMA since I'm on the smaller time frame. When you see this chart, I want you to think support and resistance. Here we're on the 5-minute chart using the 9, 20, 50, and 200. The colors are as stated. The 9 is purple, the 20 is blue, the 50 is red, and the 200 is yellow. I want to point out a period here. After 11 o'clock, about 11:30, we're up through the 9 EMA, the purple. We are over all the EMAs. The EMAs have crossed over, indicating bullish tendencies when a lower EMA crosses over the higher EMAs. So we have a stock here, SPY, that bounced on the 9 EMA multiple times as it was moving up, using that 9 EMA as support. When we broke below it, we had resistance at the next lowest, or I should say highest EMA. So when we broke below the 9 initially, we had some buying indicated by this wick on the 20. When we broke below the 20, we had buying on the 50 and a bounce. When we tried to go back over the 20 and the 9, we got rejected. Therefore, it was resistance, and we went back down to retest this 50, the red. This bounced on the 50 again, and we finally continued our trend upwards, getting over the 20 and getting over the 9. Here, we got below them and tried to test the 50 again, but continued our bounce. This shows you how we can use these SMAs and EMAs and other moving averages as areas of support and resistance. They also can act as areas of buys and sells. When you get up over SMAs or EMAs, you can buy. When you get below, you can sell or trim your trades because they no longer indicate the direction that you were intending. I hope that helps, guys, and explains a little bit about how to use different periods of moving averages. As always, thank you. The links are in our bio for our Discord website and community trading groups, and we hope you have a good time. All right. Thank you, guys.